During my years working with Magic Motorsport, I started noticing some common issues among those companies who provide services to mechatronics.
Depending on where the issue is, a mechatronic must refer to online groups, specialists, other friends in the business, and so on. If you cannot manage doing that, you will have to go to an expert who will charge you an impossible fee in order to take away from you this huge burden, placing the burden on your customer. But first, you will have to know where the issue is, and figuring out where the issue is often actually harder than the fix itself.
Having access to all those information in the same place at a low cost would be really great, but it's very difficult to find something like that in our market, where information alone can be worth so much money. Although this issue was in front of me all those years, I could not solve it by myself. I decided to start from the most obscure niche, which is supercars.
For this reason, in 2022, with a group of professional partners divided around the world, we decided to start My Supercar Expert, our first step to resolve this great issue. My Supercar Expert's mission is to offer to as many mechatronics as possible affordable and tested used spare parts, as well as aftermarket parts for European supercars. We also provide the support to solve issues and install the parts. Through our network experience, you will have the chance to learn not just how to solve problems, but also how to figure them out faster and better. As we are mechatronics working with mechatronics, we have a thorough approach.
We don't focus only on getting you the cheapest price possible, but also on being your reliable partner to help you solve your problems, saving time and saving you also your customers' money. We take pride in what we do and we always appreciate feedback of all kinds, plus we are always adding new products to our store.
To know more, visit us at mysupercarexpert.com or contact us directly on social.